It's me again. I have this very unusual. Yes, it's the first time I saw it on this type of engine, but usually it's something else. I have a Cadillac Escalade in here with the delete on demand system, which by the way I hate. But this one is misfiring on cylinder number 8, and you would think that, you know, the common cause is the valves bent, or the you know, valve lifter sticking, or the camshaft is, mind you, I haven't checked the camshaft. I will still look at it. The other thing is the valve springs are broken, but in this case this one is different because I put my leak down tester right there. As you can see, it's only at 60 psi. It's only at almost 60 psi, and look, number 8 cylinder. I don't know if you see that. There you go. She's leaking. She is leaking. So we might have to send this to the machine shop and, you know, get it checked. Because also the reason what led me to check the combustion, or what led me to do a cylinder leak down test, is because these spark plugs is really wet. The spark plugs is really wet. Really wet. So I don't know if it's a crack in the head gasket, but on that spark plugs it is coolant in there, and the color is good. Anyway, so we'll see. We gotta take the head up, measure it, send it to the machine shop, get a valve job if it's still okay, get it resurfaced and clean. Other than that, if it's a bad one, sadly, I don't like these engines. I hope you guys don't get into this kind of trouble. Car looks good, comfy, everything. It's just this type of repair, I don't really want to keep doing this. And as an owner, I'm sure you don't want to be into this kind of trouble. Well, hopefully GM find a different way to get this fixed, because it's really not a good car, a good engine, to be exact. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll keep in touch. If I see something else going on with it, and that is obvious that I can check, I will show it to you. If not, thank you once again. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.